Convenience and intuitive handling are two main aspects of the WAGO lighting management system. The simple and intuitive visualization enables you, for example, to control the system based on a floor plan graphic that you have inserted. Status messages, alarms, and operator interventions are quickly visible. The responsive design allows you to use the system on a mobile device as well. According to the motto, the right light in the right amount at the right time, you have an overview over your lighting system at all times, and you can also intervene in the control if necessary.